Now that you've uploaded your panoramas, let's go to the next step and add hotspots. A hotspot is a button that allows you to move between rooms or locations and join them into a combined virtual tour. To create one, simply right-click on the place where you want to make a connection between two panoramas. Click on the option Create Hotspot to choose the panorama you will connect to. We want to connect the bedroom with the living room, so choose Living Room from the list. Once you have the hotspot set up, click on it and it will take you to the connected room. Add a returning hotspot on the next panorama. Keep adding hotspots to all your panoramas until your tour is ready. Remember to create hotspots to go back to the room you came from. First, we created a hotspot from the bedroom to the living room, and now we've just connected the living room to the bedroom.